Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into CoinMarketCap for portfolio watchlists. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the CoinMarketCap website. In the top right corner, locate and click the sign in button. If you already have an account, enter your registered email address. Next, enter your password in the designated field. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link for assistance. Once your credentials are entered, click the Sign In button to access your account. After signing in, you'll be directed to your CoinMarketCap dashboard. To create a portfolio watchlist, look for the Portfolio option in the navigation menu. Click on Portfolio to access your portfolio management page. On this page, you will see an option to create a new portfolio. Click the Create a New Portfolio button to begin. You can now name your portfolio based on your preferences. After naming your portfolio, click Create. With your new portfolio created, you can now start adding cryptocurrencies. To add assets, search for the cryptocurrency you want in the search bar. Once you find the cryptocurrency, click on it to view details. Look for the Add to Portfolio option on the cryptocurrency page. Select this option to add it to your created portfolio. Repeat this process for each cryptocurrency you wish to include. You can also organize your cryptocurrencies by creating multiple watchlists. To view your portfolio, return to the Portfolio section from the navigation menu. Here, you will see all the cryptocurrencies you have added along with their current statistics. Congratulations, you are now set to monitor your investments via CoinMarketCap. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.